Good. Yang pati.
Mana mati beke ihan posta.
Yang pati.
Ada buang. Asyik dah tu. Kalau buang ke.
Apui.
Aku belajar ada pilih ke peang. Tuh. Bisa bang itu. Khuslo boro. Direct boro khuslo itu naik kon.
I love adventure. Deep down forest. This is কি আরাম স্নান করতে পারবো তো Aloy baby. Ngapok kumantit eh. Tinaan nalbang chip. Welcome to the jungle. Here is the fire and the bristle is also falling. Very beautiful place. Now we are going to make bamboo shoot curry or grinding in a piece, and we'll be having some meal after some time. Some friends are going to collect banana trees. And here we are ready to make. The place is too beautiful. More danger because this is very deep jungle forest. Who knows? Wild boar, bears, and elephant can also come and attack us at once. We have to be very alert. We could not make the fire properly because here the rain is falling and the weather is also too bad, but we will try for making this. Very deep forest. Right after this meal, we are going to start our journey this side. We have to go from here and then there at that very moment, at that place we are going to climb, and after this we are going to cross like more two hills, and then we will be reaching the place where we park our so an honga mot kung antri mah upa thielkha pare
kirtiang itu bang itu thielkha nina kire warda pe toite asingre
5-star hotel. Chicken, mutton. Mahi changta kin freeze. Twin dai na changa freeze kin ination. This is our freezer. A small tiny natural freezer.
Ada na lagi siya ta. So sunda pahan. Mang senting na pahan.
Mai te achik freeze chik pu mai freeze lian. Wow. Mahi kin champui pa. Lapui nen hu pu changa. Ama boy hin. Maram ra hin tin hong tung loi ding changa. A thei. Zal pu ngi tin tuai khe khoma the. Ama om no se la tin fa ding om no nia. Ma ti hi a tui pu ding hi 5-star hotel. Natural resources environment. This is a kind of free hotel 5-star. You can find here bamboo shoot and banana tree, onion, chili, salt, and some talk. And here is bamboo bamboo vessel. This is bamboo vessel, and this is fire, and this is our freezer. Very beautiful, and the water is very cool. It makes us relax.
Nothing like anything, my friend. I can see not speaking English. Not a broken from. You not from mine. No. Me to me.
আজকে তো আমরা সারাদিন জঙ্গলে থাকবো না আর তো কিতা করবো না Now it is only 11:13 a.m. but it seems to be like evening. The place is becoming too dark. Yes, everyone is busy making, and the rain is also busy falling, but still we will keep on as fast as we can, because our stomach is already gurgur gargar saying we want to eat fast. Is to hide, so we discover some tent here, a small tent that we can protect our fire, but we don't know where to hide. We don't have any place to hide. Everywhere is rain. If this water is flood, our fire will not be escaped. We have to do as fast as we can.
My head is very high fire. Yummy.
Hi, Bristol happening. Not bad.
Don't say Bristol happening. Raining happening.
Raining happening. Sorry, raining happening.
I'm speaking in English. I'm bangling because you're not speaking English. See, nothing like no problem.
Micromax.
Nothing like no problem. I don't say it.
What is this?
Your mobile.
Tea leaf. This is tea leaf. Yeah.
This is
good.
Lemon.
And this is lemon. And this is chili. Yes. Chili.
This onion.
This is green chili. And this is onion. And this is lemon. Wow. What a crispy sound, man.
Mukbang.
Rice. Yeah, this is a natural rice ball, man. Natural rice ball. Yes. One of our friends
Something
doesn't
is wrong.
eat rice because his stomach
Big
is
is the
screaming like volcano. And
volcano.
yes.
Okay. Oh, coming here, kya volcano?
Nahi coming. This is the bamboo cup, which is stored for drinking water, and yeah, this is bamboo curry, which is grind and mixed all together, and now just ready to eat and swallow with the stomach. And this is also a very tasty and healthy leaf. Wow, আরো এক বোতল জল আছে.
Handmade water.
Handmade water. A handmade cup, and with the handmade of bamboo. Tuy không cho thử với nó đâu. Hariyare, hariyare. Wow. My brother is carrying a shake of bosta, which contain bamboo shoot. He's looking pretty handsome, like this. He's like local people who is collecting the very beautiful place. Now we are leaving home because returning back home, it's already 4:20 p.m. So we need to return back home. Here is the house that we have to go.